My accountant told me I need to slow down my spending. Told him shut the fuck up, got $1 million that's pending. And nigga, big bag, big racks. DDG did that. Run up, get clapped. Too rich, I'm strapped.
We're gonna be doing an unboxing, I think. Unboxing sneaker review. I think this is a sneaker. I don't know. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please have your post notifications turned on. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. That's because that's where I post my shenanigans. You get the behind the scenes on my Snapchat. You get my thoughts on my Twitter. And then you get my fire ass pictures on my Instagram and my little skits. You feel me? So I'm excited. I don't know what this is. To be honest, like, I want you guys to be able to see my Addy. About to rip this box open. Trying so hard. So y'all can't see my address from this side. Woo! Bro. Obviously by the title of this video, you already know what sneaker it is. But I'm gonna need for you guys to give me a big thumbs up for this one, man. This is for y'all. I honestly, like, let me tell you what I did. I went to StockX and I did the whole, you want the shoe, buy the shoe. So that's what I did, bro. I bought the shoe and I never spent this much money on shoes ever. So I'm gonna need for you guys to please give this video a big thumbs up, man. For real. Like, oh, I never thought I would see this box. And I know a lot of you are probably gonna be like, King, you don't even like Kanye West. Why are you supporting him? Blah, 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 blah. I like the shoes. They're by Adidas. So technically, and I'm supporting a black man's business. I still don't like that nigga though. So let's take the shoes off the bottom. You already know it's oh shit, I'm so excited. I'm over here like, alright, I really hope these fit, bro, because I know how Adidas run and they like weird on my feet. So hopefully this 8.5 will do me justice. UK size. Drop down in the comments below. Obviously you see what Yeezy it is, but think about what color I got. Oh my god. Alright, so I got the Yeezys Boost 700. How do you open this shit? For myself for Christmas, early Christmas. Got the official StockX John. Snap a pitch. Snow is your verified authentic tag. Upload to Instagram. Hashtag StockX get featured. Brag to your friends. You feel me? Shout out to Josh over there. This is my receipt. I don't need to see none of that, but yeah. Hold on. I don't think that comes out, so just be gentle with the box, you feel me? Yeah. Look at these. These look dumb small, bro. I really hope these fit. I thought they would look bigger than what they do, but this is a shoe. You feel me? And it goes with what I got on right now. And I could throw this on if I wanted to, all black. Oh my god, I gotta go buy me some tube socks. Oh, here we go. It's the official StockX verified authentic. You feel me? Yes. Look at this shoe, bro. Look at this shoe. Oh my god. What was Kanye West thinking? Honestly, I don't know. But please inspect the item. All chains on the void once the tag is removed. Yeah, so let's see. Look at this bottom. Gotta look and make sure everything is intact. You see? Okay. This is this shoe. Thought there was something on the shoe, but I just rubbed that right out. You know what I'm saying? Rub that right out. You look a little wrinkled. No, these shoes are ugly. These shoes are dumb ugly. But they're fire, if that makes any sense. They're fire ugly. They're firely ugly. Like, or should I do like this? That's the one, you feel me? Nah, I like these. Now I gotta try them on to see if they fit. I gotta try them on to see if they fit, because if they don't, I'm gonna be pissed. It just adds to my collection. It just brought my collection up $400. I'm not even gonna hold you. If you haven't seen my recent sneaker collection going over, I should tag it up there, I guess. I gotta find it. But if you want to see me do another one, I will continue to do sneaker reviews. I love these shoes. I love them. I'm gonna feel like a bad biatch. You feel me? Snap a pic and show us your verified tag. Hashtag so they fit. Y'all seeing it here first? Y'all seeing this here first? Take off the Nikes. I got the Nikes on the feet, you know what I'm saying? They're just a little downsized, you feel me? And you gotta wear the long socks. They not bad. Feel me? I got space. I coulda got a 9. I coulda got a 9. You feel me? I don't know. You gotta try the other foot. Because you know one foot's bigger than the other. But if I would have got a 9, I would have been pissed. Don't know. Like this part right here is hella squishy. You feel me? That part there is hella squishy. And I got on these thick ass socks to begin with too. So I don't know. It's mad cushion. Mad cushion right here. It's a lot of cushion on the inside. It's cushion. I don't know. I might need a 9. I might. Not sure. I could do an 8. I don't know, YouTube. I'm thinking about it. Drop it down in the comment section below if you guys like them. If you would cop them. If they're a go. If they're a must cop for yourself. Make sure you guys give this make sure you guys give this video a big ass thumbs up. Yeah. What's up? But one time I'm struggling trying to put on my shoes. I don't even know why I'm wearing shoes in the house. I need to get my life together. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And follow me on Twitter if you know if I keep the shoes or not. So, with that being said, I love you guys. Peace over happiness, and make sure you guys stay black.
Like you, and because I'm hot now, I'm gone. Waited, I'm on one. Bang, bang.